Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, August 16th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk about the three biggest myths about silver. But before I get started, if it's your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, if you've been watching my videos, you know I've been talking about silver lately and gold. And I have a great opportunity that I'm a part of and been a part of for a while now that I just think is, with all the things going on in the world and all the uncertainty, that it's the best wealth building opportunity today, okay? And with that being said, I can't guarantee you'll make any money if you join me in this program or any program. It's all dependent on your work ethic, and we all know that most people don't have a very good work ethic. So, with that being said, the three myths about silver, the first one is that silver is only for collectors, okay? Silver is only for collectors. And that couldn't be further from the truth, right? I mean, silver is a powerful inflation hedge, and on top of that, look at all the things that silver is used in, right? We use it in tech. We use it in solar. We use it in medical. I mean, the list goes on and on and on, right? So silver is widely used in many different applications. And the cool thing about it is that it continues to go up in value, right? It continues to go up in value. Of course, there's some dips like everything else, but research shows that over time, it's just continued to go up, and it's going to continue to go up. And we have, many experts say that within the next few years, it could hit $70, $80 or even more per ounce. So the good thing about silver and gold, silver particularly, is that there's only so much of it, right? There's only so much of it. So the government can't go and reprint silver like they do our paper money, okay? So it's something good to have on hand, and it's also a lot cheaper than gold, so it's something you want to keep just in case something happens with the economy, or our dollar bill collapses, or the monetary system collapses, or, banks freeze funds up like we've seen in the past. To have a little bit of silver on hand is a great way to use for bartering or to purchase smaller items. It's just something good to have on hand, and it's a tangible asset, right? It's something that's going to continue to go up in value. So it's not just for collectors, okay? It's used in many different applications, and it's something that the government is not going to take away from you. It's not going to take it away from you. They're not going to come knocking on your door and collecting your silver, okay? So that's myth number one. Myth number two is that silver costs a lot. And in all actuality, it really, depending on what you buy, it doesn't cost that much, right? Particularly when you compare it to gold. All right, I think an ounce of silver right now is around $38, right? So you can buy it, spot price, it might be 42, 44 bucks, something like that. I don't know. I'm not an expert with silver and gold. I'm learning all this stuff. So don't, go and do your own due diligence. But I can tell you that it's not as expensive as you think. And with the opportunity that I'm a part of, you can get silver shipped to you automatically, auto delivery every single month for less than $10. All right, you can get 1/10 of an ounce of silver for less than 10 bucks shipped to your door every single month. So that's super affordable. Everybody can afford that, right? And you just start out small. That's all you do. You just start out small. Start silver stacking with whatever it is that your budget allows you. You don't want to be using your bill money to buy silver, but maybe instead of buying, the Starbucks, or, you give up your Netflix subscription and you start collecting something that is a real asset, something that you can hold in your hand, and something that nobody can take away from you, and something that's going to continue to go up in value over time, right? So that's myth number two. Now, myth number three is silver doesn't produce income, okay? You'll see a lot of people say, you know, it's not worth collecting silver because it doesn't go up, you know, it doesn't go up quick enough for those people, right? But people like Robert Kiyosaki, he totally recommends everybody collect silver, right? Because again, there's only so much of silver in the world. The government can't reprint silver. They can't make more silver. There's only so much silver. But the cool thing is with this opportunity, so I mean, I guess the point is that, you know, unless you buy in huge amounts, you know, you're not going to become rich with silver overnight, okay? But that's okay, because what if you buy an ounce of silver today for $45 and in 3 or 4 years it's worth $90, right? I mean, that's pretty good. So I think overall, you know, just having it on hand, being patient, knowing you're not going to get rich real quick, and knowing that if something really does happen in this world, if the you-know-what hits the fan, that you have something that you can use to go and get items that your family will need or that you can use to barter. All right, we even have little trading metals in this company. They're little quarter grains of silver and gold that you can buy, just little pieces. You know, they're worth about $6-7 that you can use for smaller items that you can use to barter and trade and purchase things with. But the opportunity, right? Not only can you get silver delivered to you on, you know, auto shipment every single month, but you can share the opportunity and get paid 7 different ways. You can earn 7 different ways with this opportunity, okay? And you pay a little bit more than you would if you go to the traditional coin shop online. But the cool thing is there is an affiliate aspect to this, and the company also takes some of the profits and sends meals to starving children. And I'm all about that, right? I'm all about that. I'll pay $5 more a coin to know that I'm helping feed starving children, right? So it's just a win-win all the way around. There's other opportunities out there in the metal world, but as far as affordability, this is the place to be. And on top of that, the company will give you a free silver bar just for checking out the opportunity. So if you want to get your free silver bar, you pay shipping. It's like $2.74 or something for shipping. All right, it's less than $3, and they'll send you your first free silver bar, so that'll help, you know, jumpstart your silver stacking journey. All right. So if you want information on that, there'll be a link down below this video, but you can also go to silverstackingempire.com. Silverstackingempire.com. Check it all out. Watch the videos. There's a little survey. It takes 2 minutes. And get your free silver bar, and then reach out to me if you have any questions. I got a whole bunch of letters going out today, and each one of these have the silver bar in it. All right. Each one of them have the information on how somebody can get the silver bar. So you can use that to attract people to the opportunity by giving away a free silver bar. You know, they pay the shipping, less than $3. So it's a great opportunity. Check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you find any value in my video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.